Hi there and welcome back again. Tomorrow is October 3rd and this means national holiday here in Germany. And this means, you guess it already, no power tools on a national holiday. So therefore I have to hurry up today a little bit to get things done, because the plan is to trim out the second window and I would like to verticut the lawn to prepare it for autumn and winter. So let's get started. This channel wouldn't exist without the event we are celebrating this weekend. 30 years ago, both German parts reunited to one country again. I was born and raised 50 years ago in the western part, the former Federal Republic. This beautiful spot of land was the GDR, closed behind a giant wall. I would have never been able to live here. In fact, it was forbidden for me to go here. So, every October 3rd we are celebrating the tremendous courage the people of the GDR had to stand up against the regime and fight for freedom. Compared to their problems, my problem is a smaller, but as well typical German one. I can't stand the zigzag at the end of the siding. So, let's get rid of it. And there is still the second window I have to trim as long as I'm allowed to make some noise. This lawn might look vigorous, healthy and strong. But at a closer look, you see that it is full of weed and moss. Every weekend I'm carrying this stupid bin from one end of the garden to the other one. I bought it once to place it around the walnut tree in the middle of the lawn, but his roots are too thick to put it there. So it is a nomad bench now. Autumn is the best time to verticut the lawn, as there is more rain as in spring or summer. After this procedure, the lawn needs a lot of moisture to build up new growth. But before I can verticut, I have to give this lawn a close shave. This is the lawn thatcher. It might look very brutal, but trust me, in 2 or 3 weeks' time the lawn will look lush green and healthier than before. By the way, there is no raccoon lazing on my camera, it's just the microphone. So, this is before and this is after. These are grass cuttings from the mower, and this is what the thatcher pulled out. A big bucket of seeds and time will do its magic. In 2 weeks' time I will add some fertilizer and the lawn is ready for winter to come. At this part of the video we are coming to the most controversially discussed topic in my comment section, the color choice. And yes, I will paint it as my patrons decided, anthracite. And yes, I like it. It reminds me a bit of old English barns in the country. In combination with white trim, it will look very classic and masculine, I think. And for those of you who don't like it, just listen to the music. I've got your most liked song.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Now that I see the natural wood of the window casings, I think I'd like them in this color as well. Does anybody have a tip how to keep them like this? Maybe staining? Please leave me a comment if you have. So that's it for this week. Join me next week when I'll finally install the batten and paint, or maybe even stained, the trim work. See you then. And as always, stay healthy.